today me and this guy are getting matching tattoos.
I mean, getting a matching tattoo just for the photo is crazy, but...
Right now is 6.5. Quiet on set. Okay, I don't know why I'm starting to feel a little nervous, a little scared. Fun fact, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tattoos in my lifetime. Mind you, she old, ladies, so I only have 4 tattoos, and I think you're not you're not scared because you have how many?
I have way too many to count, but not enough.
He wants more tattoos. Hey. But anyways, this is aside me being a little bit nervous. I'm excited. You guys will see throughout the video what we're getting. And Ms. Cassiee MUA is tatting us. They actually just texted us that they landed and they're on the way to our house. Chevy's also coming, Eldon. So yeah, you guys will see what we're getting. This has been a little bit in the works for both me and Alex. Before we get into that though, fun fact, Alex does have my name and my face tatted on it. Just kidding.
It's not name and face, but
I never shared this.
it is Leslie's initials, LQ. I got this.
It's no LG. Well, about to be.
That's like the first tattoo I got kind of, I guess, dedicated to the wifey here, the future wifey. But yeah, I got. Do you remember if it was before Baby G or?
It was after Baby G, and he actually, I guess,
I don't remember.
surprised me with it. He's like, I'm getting your name, and I was like, my name? And then he came home, and it's actually the crown with my initials, and I was like, that's cute. Honestly, I actually like that it says LQ because you met me as LQ.
Yeah. So I think that was one of the questions. Was like, well, why LQ? Because like, what if you guys get married one day?
Oh yeah.
So at that time we're like, well, that was way before I proposed. That was way before like anything. So
back in 1960.
Back then I was like, yeah. Now we're here. We're literally about to get married in a month, and yeah, like Leslie said, I met her as LQ, so it has a special meaning.
As Leslie Quesada, which
Yes.
I still am. And then the second one is.
No, that's it. That's all I have.
No, you have another one of me. I'm just kidding. Well, not of me, but the little this.
Oh, yeah. Disregard, guys. So, well, this one is one of the most recent ones I got. It's just like a little 3-sword, but I put all the initials of the family. Everybody that I love, my little family. Gaeli. Is it you in the middle? Gaeli, Leslie, Gael. But they're just little initials, so I don't count it as a name. But yes, they're all 2 dedicated tattoos.
And for the baby to come in the future, you're gonna have to add another sword. Aside a whole bunch of other ones, and we have both agreed and brainstormed on what we are going to get tatted before the wedding. So I guess we can officially call these our matching wedding tattoos. So now to share it with you guys, both me and Alex will be getting... Never mind, actually they just got here. She's actually here for my bridal shower. You guys know she missed the bachelorette, but we're making it up this Sunday. We're turning up. The guys are being dads. We're gonna let them settle in. Hi, Papa. You pick your own room, okay? Hopefully he loves us by the end of, well, today's Friday. They leave till Monday. So I'm like, please, God. Because last time that we saw him, he was like not really vibing with me and Alex, but we have the kids now. So.
I love a girl. That's a baby.
Oh my gosh,
How did he
taller every time.
Say hi.
He kept looking behind and smiling at me.
This is also a little trial babe for me and you for the third.
Yeah, we're ready.
There
you go. That's what you get, bro.
Put butters on you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Girl, what?
He walks all around like his
And he's what, 10 months?
like 10 and a half months. Yeah.
And he's walking?
He's a baby. You want a baby brother?
Yeah, I want a baby brother.
You want what?
I want a baby Bobby.
But it wasn't too bad, but I just put him ready.
Go. He's ready for you?
He just started clapping too.
Solid.
Come on.
Girl, what?
Come on.
Yeah, he's solid.
Guys, we're gonna for real settle in now, and then we'll see you guys back once we're ready to get team tatted. We're back. Did you miss us? Cause we missed you. Okay guys, we are getting down to it. It is actually about to be 10 p.m. which is past our
I
bedtime.
don't know much.
You guys know Alex is
We're early risers, so that means we go to bed early.
yeah, so his eyes are like, I'm like, babe,
More passion, more passion.
Obviously, we haven't shared with you guys, which we will now. We are gonna get in this live.
And the next.
Yeah.
3 letters each. 3 and 3.
Perfect. And of course, for our wedding, meaningful because it's happening almost a month exactly before the wedding. Tying the knot before tying the knot before tying the knot. Cass went ahead and sent us these options earlier in the week for us to like brainstorm, pick a font, and we actually agreed on the same. We're like on what, 6 on 6 already from the wedding tasting and everything.
On the same vibe.
I know, so we'll share with you guys now the options she sent us. Singled out basically the bottom 4, and then we were kind of stuck with the ones on top. Okay, to delete this one.
Yeah, that one. Like,
Later. This one I liked it. I actually already have a tattoo, the one that I did with my siblings with that font.
looks similar, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want something different. This one, it was all capitals, so.
too professional.
Okay. We want to do lowercase, fun fact. The top 5. So if this was you and your man's getting a tattoo, which one would you pick?
Number 3. Pick number 3, my lord. 3. Pick number 3, my lord.
Oh, okay. Number 3.
This is where we see eye to eye, and I think
Yeah.
we're gonna go with
I think the cursive font is a vibe.
chicken.
Bro, what are you talking about?
What? Winner.
Chicken dinner.
Chicken dinner. This is the winning font. Now the question is, wait, who's
I
gonna
mean,
do the
it's
first
serious.
half and who's gonna do the second
Yeah,
half?
that's a good question.
I
It's
feel
life.
like I have the right to pick what I want in my arm. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but as somebody that has so many tattoos,
I
like it
look like a
doesn't.
chalkboard. Yeah, like I
Come
already
for
have,
yourself.
Yeah,
Pues ya estás todo rayado.
Yeah,
And me, I'm like, I only have one. So I'm like, do I want for
That's
my body to
solid.
say in this life
that's valid.
and the next? Okay, so I'm gonna do in this life. Alex is gonna do.
And the next.
And when Cass comes down, we're gonna stencil it exactly where we want it because I would love to, goosebumps, like when we're holding hands, like walking down the aisle. Yeah, for our tattoo to show. And I mean, obviously when you marry somebody, it really is. So death do us apart. So this is the real f***ing deal. We're just waiting on Cass now to finish some stuff up and then we're gonna get team tatted. Y'all know I've been on my wellness journey, but I've ended up with a whole bunch of supplements and vitamins in my pantry and have to pop a bunch of pills every single morning. And that's why I love today's sponsor, Huel. Huel's Daily Greens Powder is designed to easily and quickly help you intake all of your vitamins and minerals without having to worry about taking a whole bunch of pills, and everything at an affordable price point. With just 1 scoop of daily greens, you guys can improve your gut health, support your immune system, and also reduce fatigue. All you need is some cold water and you have yourself a convenient drink in seconds. Best part, it's just $1.50 a serving, making it way more affordable than a lot of other greens out there. Daily Greens was created by nutritionists and dietitians to have 91 vitamins, minerals, and superfood ingredients like organic blueberries, broccoli sprouts, ginger, and just so many more. There's a lot of greens powders out there, but most of them taste like grass or medicine, and these right here have a taste of crisp apple with pineapple and a subtle hint of lime and mint. These are seriously the best greens I've had. I have them every single morning with my breakfast or before I head out to the gym. If you want to up your health, use code LESTOMAKEUP to get 15% off your first Huel order, plus a t-shirt and a free shaker, a $35 value. Again, use code LESTOMAKEUP for 50% off your Huel order. It's never been easier to intake your vitamins and minerals, so click the link in the description.
This life, and the next. Like if I'm standing behind you and if I was reading.
Unless we hold hands like this, right? Pause. We're having some technical difficulties. We just realized that I might have to do in the next. How are we gonna hold hands?
Yeah.
Like this?
Well, we're kind of in a situation because I can't get tatted on this arm because it's covered. So
Yeah,
I
like
have to get it on this side.
Yeah. Well, no, I can do it on this side, and then we just won't necessarily pose with it. You know what I mean? It'll just be like matching tattoos, and we can take like a picture like this. Okay, here we go. This is the test trial done. Ay, qué nervios.
Yeah, your arm would have to be more inside.
Yeah, like I mean, if we're gonna take a picture, it could just be like a.
I mean, getting a matching tattoo just for the photo is crazy, but YOLO.
Yo, it's a
We gotta seal the deal.
Oh my, well, it's gonna look cuter. No, yeah.
I mean, regardless, I'm gonna be wearing a suit
Yeah,
with
he's
long
gonna have to
sleeves.
go
So
like
Or like once you're done, you take the jacket off or like have the sleeve rolled up or something.
Oh, that'll be cute.
Mom, pick me up. Like this. So it would read in this life and the next.
But not as.
Oh no.
Girl, you drunk as hell. Like if we do it in
Arm
this
wrestle?
hand, it can... I know.
I'm gonna have to be like this.
Yeah, I done lost my marbles.
I think this is fine. Like this is fine.
I love when we take the lead, babe. I'm down for that.
I'm ready.
I feel like in that font, I like how clean it is, all lowercase.
All lowercase.
And then I also told her something thin, because I feel like
Dainty.
her. Both of my tattoos that I have with writing, yeah, I mean, I can show you guys because it's under my boob, but this one, you can barely even read what it says. but that's why I
Well,
wanted like
yes.
thin. No, I think that one's perf. Alex is gonna do in this life, and I'm gonna have to do in the next. What do people ask me? And the next what? And the next ma?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Cut the cameras, I'm in trouble. Now let's get into why the heck Cass is here to tap me. We told you guys for the bridal shower. And Cass does not currently tattoo as a profession. A career, if she will, even though we all tell her to because she's just so talented. So I trust her 100%.
Only on my friends and family because you guys always say to tattoo other people. I'm too scared.
Mind you, she has never asked. I literally dragged her here like, please. What?
Would you want it any smaller?
Maybe like a quarter smart. Yeah.
Like that?
Yes.
So we'll make one 2 inches and then we'll make one like a little bit smaller and then we'll compare.
I'm praying, I'm taking ass, I'm posting. Oh, this is my selfie. I know. Those were not supposed to be back to back. Currently 10:24. We started at exactly 10 and now I want to go bigger.
That's what she said.
Okay, because whatever you're most comfortable in, you can
I'm good.
prop it up. Okay.
Smaller pieces like this.
I don't know how you.
And I really thought I did something.
Even then, it still takes a while.
Pain right now is 10 being like, oh my God, please stop. Solid 6.5. Is that high?
What?
No, I think it just hurt a little nerve. Somewhere in there.
It's probably like because
My vein?
it's very like tingling.
Yes, right
Not
there.
the vein because it's barely even. It's
Like my hand's not gonna like
no.
freeze or anything. Okay. She's doing it like on the bone, so like there's like a little nerve you're hitting or something.
I
So
feel like
sometimes I'm just like, ugh.
for this, I could be sleeping and
You
I
could be
I won't
sleeping?
feel this. Yeah.
Let's go. Bye-bye. In right now, 7.5.
One.
It went up a little bit.
Alright, and then
We did it. Guys, I literally was snoring.
no, I was falling asleep though.
No, you
honestly.
were asleep. We have footage. Play it back. What was the pain level for you?
No, I could understand why you thought it was painful. It is a little, it's
of
a
the
little
body?
irritating right there, like irritating, like the way it feels. But I mean, nothing out of this world.
You were sleeping. That's so funny. I was like,
Leslie was like dying, and I was just like,
but yeah, guys, this is it. Also, timestamp, it is 12:45, so way past our bedtime. But we got matching wedding tattoos, and they look so
we
cute.
sealed the deal.
We'll probably get some pictures. That way we can include them in the vlog of like, kind of like our inspo and all that stuff. And
Cassiee
she's
killed
giving me-
it. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting me.
Booking down below. I am now her manager, so please click the link down below.
It's small.
No,
it's
I
clean.
love it. Yeah, like it's super.
Dude, it's so sharp.
But we're closing out this vlog right here. We're all going
Oh,
to
we're
bed.
still like.
I know.
But
But
yeah,
I hope
we
you
gotta
guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Thank you, Cass, for tatting us up. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.